Alrighty folks, week 2 of the 52-week challenge, and we are at Brumley Nature Preserve. 10 miles of awesome trails, flowy, fast. Let's ride. Located near Durham, Brumley is part of the Triangle Land Conservatory. And why did I ride here today? Well, one, it was open. When I woke up this morning, I saw a post that it had just opened up. And if you're around the Triangle area, you know that can be a rarity. Being one of the funnest cross-country style trails in the Triangle, it was an easy decision. From the parking lot, I seem to always ride clockwise. I head down Wood Duck Way. It's flowy and fast and a good start to the day.
Hey look, it's an old car in the woods. Transmission. There's a cyclist coming by.
Then you start riding the loop. Walnut Grove, Spring House, Buckeye, and then back to Spring House and Wood Duck Way. Hey look, another old car.
Another one. 50-something. I was just Chevy, for what would I know? Oh, that's cool. The symbol. I guess a poorly hidden geocache.
This weekend, I got 2 days of riding here. I had some technical difficulties on the first day, so I came back to ride again. Day 2, I got caught in a little bit of a snowstorm. We got a little cold and wet at the end. It's always good to see Rojo after a ride. Thanks for coming along on ride number 2 of our 52 ride challenge. Don't forget to like and subscribe.